Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to add a quality area to your production areas and what it's good for. In real production, a problem often comes up with a product. You take action, but for a while you want to verify a good product is shipped. That's when a quality check area is useful. You can place a temporary quality area before or after an area, and the planning factors in the time the inspection takes. Here, after the wheel set buffer, I want to inspect a product that had an issue. You add the quality area with the Add Area button. Instead of production, I now choose the quality type and give it a name. Let's call it Safety Check. Here I connect it to the previous and next area, just like a production area. The previous is the wheel set buffer, the next is final assembly, and I save. On the pipeline map, though, you can see it's not complete yet. As before, you must connect it both ways. So on the final assembly area, I click Edit and add the safety check area among its feeding areas, then save. Now the safety check area connects nicely. At the wheel set buffer, you'll see a yellow line. It means the area connects in parallel to both the safety check and final assembly, since not every product goes through the inspection. Next, we still need to set the safety check area's shift schedule. I set the same shifts and planned stops as on the original areas. Here I add the product to inspect. With Add Product, I select the RD01 wheel set, since that's the one we have an issue with. I set the inspection time, now to 1.2 minutes, and save. Now the planning accounts for it. With that 1.2 minute extra, this product reaches the last area later since we inspect it, so it replans the final assembly area too, factoring this area in. An added benefit is that you can see it visually. There's a safety check quality area we added because we needed it. That's how you set up any quality area. Thanks for watching.